Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Ravichandran, an option strategist and technical trader with passion towards reading charts. Through this channel, I am sharing my technical analysis of stocks, commodities, currency and major global indices. Stay tuned to get detailed technical analysis of charts and powerful trading strategies. Let's learn and earn through this excellent wealth creation platform of technical trading. In this video, I am going to share a technical outlook of Nifty for next trading week, Nifty weekly and long-term trading strategies. Before going to the technical analysis for next week, let's review what happened last week with the technical levels and the trading strategies which I have shared. Last week I have mentioned 9130 and 8935 as important level to watch. Nifty was expected to be range bound between 8750 and 9390. In case if it breaks below 8935, the trend was looking bearish, and if it breaks above 9130, trend was looking bullish. And the resistance levels I have mentioned are 9130, 9390 and 9600. On the downside 8935, 8750 and 8360. This is 15 minutes chart of Nifty last week. If you look at the chart, Nifty after crossed 9130 and sustained, it moved towards 9390 and 9600. Now Nifty was hovering around 9600 looking for a direction. We need to wait and see if it will break 9600 above and move towards the next resistance zones. Also, Nifty broke the range which I have mentioned last week, 8750 and 9390. Now 9390 looks crucial support in the coming weeks. Coming to the trading strategies which I have shared last week. Last week also my outlook of Nifty was slightly bearish or neutral. So I have shared all the strategies on the downside. The first strategy was for conservative traders to sell deep out of the money call option either weekly or monthly by keeping stop loss when Nifty close above 9390. If you look at this strategy's result, Nifty closed above 9390 and the stop loss got triggered. So even though if a stop loss got triggered on a weekly expiry, 9600 call May 28 expired worthless, but it clocked a very less profit around 8 to 9 points, and 9800 call 25th June monthly contract clocked loss of 3375 last week. For aggressive traders, I have shared the strategy to go short in Nifty futures if Nifty breaks below 8935 or around 9250 to 9390 by keeping stop loss 9600 on daily close. If you look at the result of this strategy, though the stop loss not yet triggered, Nifty was near 9600 but not closed on daily chart. So far this strategy on Nifty futures clocked around 170 points loss, which is around 12,750 so far, but this trade is still active and the stop loss not yet triggered. For moderate risk traders, I have shared the strategy to take put option spreads with minimum 200 points distance either on weekly or monthly contract when Nifty break below 8935 or around 9250 to 9390. So this strategy still active, the stop loss not yet triggered. But this strategy so far clocked only 6 points loss, which is 450 rupees loss so far for the put spread combination of 9300 put June month expiry and 9100 put June month expiry. So this trade is still active and the stop loss not yet triggered. Coming to the technical analysis of Nifty for next trading week. If we look at the daily chart, Nifty gave a breakout from the downward channel last week above 9250 and moving towards the resistance zone of 9600. Now Nifty is at the very crucial level 9600. If it breaks and sustain above this level on closing basis, Nifty shall move towards the next resistance zones 9735 and 9860. Similarly, on the downside, if Nifty was unable to sustain above 9600 and got resistance from this level, it may travel towards 9390, which is very crucial support in the coming week. Any close below 9390 will take the index to the 9240 and 9130 levels in the coming weeks. Technical levels for next week. 9390 and 9600 very important level to watch in the next week. The trend looks bearish if Nifty close below 9390 on daily chart, and the trend looks bullish if Nifty close above 9605 on daily chart. The resistance levels are 9605, 9740 and 9860, and support levels are 9390, 9240 and 9130. Trading strategy for next week. As Nifty is very close to important resistance 9600 and looking for a direction either above 9605, the trend looks bullish, and below 9390 the trend looks bearish. In this case, I feel traders shall initiate a long straddle with cover at 9600 with 400 points distance on monthly contract or 300 points distance in weekly contract. Traders shall decide their exit based on your risk on every support and resistance zones or predefined profit. The strategy is buy 9600 call 25th June expiry one lot and sell 10,000 call 25th June one lot, or buy 9600 call option 4th June weekly contract and sell one lot 9900 4th June expiry. Similarly, on the put side, buy 9600 put option 25th June monthly contract and sell 9200 put option 25th June one lot, or buy 9600 put option weekly contract 4th June expiry one lot and sell 9300 put option 4th June expiry one lot. For education purpose, I have mentioned one lot as an example. Traders shall take multiple lots based upon their risk and their margin exposure. For option selling, as I mentioned, we will require a certain margin. I have mentioned the margin calculator in the description of this video. Trading strategy for long-term positional traders. Nifty is still looking weak as long as it trade below 10,000 and as long as volatility is very high. Though the volatility has been cooled off drastically, now it is on 30 levels, but still it is considered as very high. On upside, traders shall wait for short opportunity around 9600 to 9850. So Nifty having a gap on this zone. Maybe if we get around 9850, the traders shall initiate short, preferably with yearly contract, I mean December contract, with a simple put spread. On downside, traders shall wait for the weekly close below 9000 and initiate long-term put spread, preferably with a December contract based upon your risk. Disclaimer: my views or suggestions for stocks index in this channel are based on the theory of technical analysis and my personal observations. It is only general view with reference to previous information for education purpose. This does not claim for sure or certain profit or any fixed returns. You are kindly advised to take positions at your own risk and responsibility for any loss. If this video is useful, kindly share to other traders. You shall subscribe to my channel technical trader Ravichandran Gopalakrishnan. You shall also visit my blog for daily updates on global technical charts at ravi-charts.blogspot.com. You can also follow me on Twitter at Ravi Charts. Stay cautious, stay safe, happy trading. Thank you.